We got some thighs and drumsticks. This is a Perdue brand. I brined them for 15 hours. It's been in the dry rub about 4 hours. So I'm going to use a rack just to keep the chicken off the bottom. I'm not going to cut them up because I'm going to do slow cooking, so I shouldn't have a problem. And I'm going to throw some carrots in here because I want to use them for my smoothie. So we're going to fit some carrots in there. I'll leave them whole, that way they don't overcook. A bad spot on there. I just want to soften these carrots. I don't want them overcooked. So I want them on top so I can remove them. And then they're going to go into my smoothie. We're also going to, once it's cooked somewhat, probably when I pull the carrots out, I'm going to add some Chardonnay. Because I'm going to try to get a broth. I need a chicken broth. I want to do chickpeas. Okay, there we go. That's all she wrote. Camera's off. Okay, with 2 hours of 300 degree cook time, yes, our carrots are good. We want to pluck these carrots out because they're going to be used in a smoothie. So we'll pull these and we're going to add our Chardonnay wine. I need a broth. I want to do a chickpea recipe. I want to do a hummus recipe. So these carrots are tender enough that they won't damage our smoothie maker. But we're adding onions. Okay, we want a temperature. We want to get some type of a temperature here. Okay, we're showing the thigh at 180 degrees. So we're doing really good. What we're going to do now is we're going to add our wine. Okay, so we just want some Tisdale Chardonnay. We want to get to a certain level in the pot. And we're going to go with the whole bottle. I need the broth. I need a broth. I threw in more onions. There's already a fantastic odor coming out of there. Okay, we're going to cover and go back to our 300 degree oven. Camera's off. Let's try a drumstick. It's hot. Let's try a taste test. Lots of good flavors. Let's try a drumstick taste test. 3 hours total cooking.